We're starting off with some good news to know tonight. Medical Center Health System's phone lines, they are back up and running. Now, you'll remember yesterday we told you about the thousands of people trying to set up an appointment for their booster shots, for the COVID vaccine. And then all of them getting a busy tone, hard to get through. Well, today the hospital says that they have a team of people working that phone line. But a word to the wise, and still that hotline is very busy. Jonathan Polasic, he takes the story from here. Jonathan, what happened?
Good evening, Tatum. Odessa officials are asking for patience as they work through registrations for the COVID-19 booster vaccine. Now, Medical Center Hospital did release their plan, and it involves calling a hotline. And the hospital tells us that they are working to get everyone's appointments scheduled. Still hearing this sound? Don't worry, the hospital hotline is still up and running. It's just busy. The hospital has received hundreds of callers a day, but because of the large number of calls, there has been a backup.
We just need everybody just to hang with us. Just understand, we know that you want to get it. We want to get it to you. We want you to complete that. That is our goal. But when 13,000 people dial 300 times to get in, no system in the world is going to be able to handle that.
Multiple employees are working the phone lines to get as many people registered as possible.
Because of the large amount of call volume, is we've added in a second layer. And so we have people on top of those answering the phones and scheduling appointments. They're calling from the list of patients that received their initial dose.
So hopefully you'll hear less of this and more of this.
You're going to be receiving these phone calls that say, hey, I see that you received your first dose at Ratliff on Monday, this date. I'd like to go ahead and get you scheduled for your appointment.
And the hospital wants to clarify, if you're on hold with them, they will not hang up on you.
So probably what's happening there is they've been on for so long, it's timing itself out and it's dropping the call. It's not one of our employees hitting the hang up button. I think that they're on there for so long.
Now you can go ahead and take a look at the number to the hotline on the screen down at the bottom. And just because you are unable to get a hold of the hospital doesn't mean that the hotline isn't working. It may just be busy. And remember, Medical Center Hospital, they want to get you that vaccine as quickly as possible. Reporting live in Odessa, Jonathan Polasic, News West 9.